LogHub's Network Design Plus app just got updated with the latest innovation in supply chain optimization.
The Stepwise cost function. What is it and why do you absolutely need it? Stick around and find out.
In supply chain management, understanding and optimizing costs is crucial. Traditionally, modeling warehouse costs was linear, but that's not how it works in real world. Costs often decrease as volume increases. We call this the economies of scale. But how do you model these varying costs effectively?
Our latest feature, the Stepwise cost function, addresses this. Let's see it in action. Beside the tables where you're inserting data about factories, warehouses, customers, transportation costs, you now have two additional ones where you're inserting data about Stepwise cost function weight and Stepwise cost function volume. These two let you define warehouse costs based on weight or volume through different tiers. In the table, define your function, for example, FO01. Then set your tiers or step ends, assuming that a warehouse might have one cost structure for 0 to 100,000 kilos, another for a next step end, and so on. Then go to set up your costs per weight unit and fixed costs if applicable. Then jump to the warehouses table and insert the function in the corresponding column. What is left is to set up your calculation parameters, turn on the saving platform, and create your workspace so you can revisit your projects, analyze them, and compare. You are now ready to do your network design calculations. To see and analyze the results, export them in the output datasheet. Or you can choose the dashboard view. If you want to compare the results with and without the Stepwise cost function, you can do that by creating the scenario comparison for the projects that you saved on our platform. And by creating the scenario comparison, you can compare them and analyze side by side for deeper insights.
This feature brings several benefits. Firstly, it provides a more realistic picture of your warehousing costs. Secondly, it helps you determine the optimal number and locations of your warehouses by simulating accurately cost efficiencies. And lastly, it empowers you to make data-driven decisions, optimizing your overall supply chain performance.
The Stepwise cost function is more than a feature. It's your path to a smarter, more efficient supply chain, and you can try it today in our Network Design Plus app. If you want to see in detail how you can optimize your supply chain, check out our Network Design Plus app tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights to stay ahead with supply chain management with LogHub.